How to use motion blur in Photoshop. Import your images and place them properly till you get what you need. Once done, go to the Layers dock and select the image you would like to apply the motion blur effect to. Then go to the menu bar and click on Filters, then scroll down to Blur, then Motion Blur. Adjust the sliders to fit what you would like to achieve and press OK. You can repeat the same process for any other image of your choice. In order to give it that motion feel, you can make some part clear using the layer mask on the Smart Filters.